So we're still on day 4 midday. You can see I've kind of stirred it up some because if you want to speed up the process, you probably also need to scrub the walls a little. You need to vacuum the bottom a little. And if it is extremely green or has been, you may find that it's easier to do a complete straight out of the pull because your pump either won't catch it all, it'll shoot more back in, or it'll just stop it up like this right here. You see how I went ahead and just was holding this to show you how much dirty water. This is getting vacuumed directly from the bottom of the pool right now, and we're just shooting it straight out. That way it don't have to go through the pump. The pump's probably not going to catch some of it anyway, and then we're shooting it straight out of the pool. Right now we're refilling it. We're going to hit this again like this, and we're going to keep vacuuming up some of this stuff and just shooting it straight out of the pool. If you got a very heavy duty green pool or trying to clean something up quite heavily, put it on backwash. Not backwash, put it on waste, and then it'll just shoot it straight out of the pool, and then you don't have to worry about getting it out of your pool later. We're getting it straight out. So we got some more to do. We're still on day number 4, trying to get our pool clear in as close to 7 or 8 days as we can. Stay tuned.